Oke, sekarang adalah masa untuk belajar setup just to record the setup. Oke, kita ada laptop untuk main laptop untuk control Atom and receive the presenter's screen over there. Okay, so this is the main one. First of all, understand that we have screen, and then this laptop need to receive that screen, there, the laptop, and then the second one will be from here. So how to get them connected? We have to use HDMI from there. All right, let me just from there, and then using the HDMI splitter, and then come here. Yes, this one, input. Okay, camera, this is camera, this one from there, okay, pull the cable, go here. After that, it connect there, connect to this splitter. After that, from here it goes to the Atom. Okay, goes to the Atom, which is here. So basically, later the switcher can be switched between 1 and 2. Okay, this one for camera, channel 2 for the presenter laptop. Now output, this one we can choose to add output, go to this TV, but sometimes no need to. Okay, this is the output, and then the second output will be from the laptop. Okay, from the laptop go to there. So that is the direct output from the laptop, and you actually can see all the zoom, what's going on in the zoom there. Alright, the next one will be the audio. So audio, we have here, okay, from Atom we need to turn this on, but how the Atom receive the audio? Okay, number one, you receive from here. All right, this is the laptop output. Laptop output will go to here. All right, go to any of the channel from the mixer. Okay, this is from laptop. Okay, this one a receiver from wireless receiver. Okay, left right, and goes to here, any channel. And then this one also wireless. Okay, just now this is for this one wireless, and this one for another one in case the speaker need it. So we have input of this one left right, and this one wireless, and this one direct from the laptop. All right, so everything, all the audio will straight go to here first, right? And then this one, this audio we receive and pulled from that laptop. So I will go there later. So basically the audio, all the audios from the video there will go through to this mixer. Alright, now input is here. Now output to go to the Atom is this one. From here, okay, rec out or record out, left and right. Alright, go here. Alright, then go to here, the mic, for the mic. Now you need to turn this on, okay, so that it will receive to the what do you call this, laptop. Now after that you need to open this software. Okay, alright, it's supposed to show this, all this. Okay, here is the Blackmagic design. Atoms of a control, so you just need to check the audio, just make sure when they talk. Let me test this one. When they talk, mic check 1 2 3, just need to make sure there is no red color here. Okay, if too loud like this, mic 1 2 3, so you just got to reduce a little bit, play around with the button here. All right, yeah, that's for the mic. Turn it off. All right, for the camera, you need to taste. You need not taste. You need to taste new meeting. All right. You need to join with computer audio, and any audio you can play here later. All right. Then yeah, I just muted. But it will supposed to, yeah, use the Blackmagic design, and then the video as well. If we switch, yep, can switch between input HDMI 1, HDMI 2. Okay, HDMI 1 from camera, HDMI 2 from the speaker laptop. Alright, done for this. Let's move on to the speaker laptops. Let's go there. Alright, now we have here, we have a display from here and there. Alright, to, yeah, input there to the Atom. So they need to use this splitter. This is the input from the cable, I mean from the speaker laptop, and then come here, input go to the main laptop, or yeah, main controller there, and this one to the TV. All right, to the TV. Okay, right, now we have this speaker's laptop, and then this one, the small what is this, Pro FX6 volume 3. Okay, we are using this, and then this laptop audio need to send here from the port to this, to here as input. Okay, input from laptop to here, and then okay, and then this one, this is the left and right. It will send the sound to the mixer. All right, so we have to pull from here, go to the there. All right, I'm not sure if I recorded just now. My boss just came in, so I forgot where am I. So basically, from this presenter's laptop, it will go to the smart TV, and then go to the source, I mean for the control room, we call it. So from this laptop, go to that splitter, to the TV, and to the controller room. Now this is the mixer that we use, Pro FX6 version 3. Okay, basically we use the HDMI. Okay, HDMI. No, we just use this from here. This one is the mouse. Okay, that's for mouse. Hey, wait, hold on, let me check this one. Yeah, that's for the mouse. Okay, this one, the USB go to here as well, if I'm not mistaken. So yes, upon checking this one, the USB need to plug in here to activate the software or driver. Yeah, this is for the driver. And then this one, output from laptop to here. All right, and this one pull to the control room there. The other mixer over there. So basically, yeah, that's the setup for the sound in the that one visual. Okay, so next one will be setup for this, right? Pay attention to this one. You need to choose Pro FX3, all right, for the audio setting. All right, Pro FX3 4. Okay, that's number one. And then number two, for that one we don't want that to flickering, so there is a setting for that. You right click here, go to display setting. Okay, display setting, after that go to advanced display setting. All right, after that you go to this one, display adapter properties, and then go to monitor, and then from the monitor, okay, from the monitor you choose 48, something like that. Alright, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. I hope this tutorial will be useful for me next time. Bye bye.